Not available.
Not available.
Fuck's sake. You are?
Says not available.
Start grouping.
Let's have your head.
I'm gonna have to go and get the other one. Start grouping. Yeah, not according to the weather forecast.
Grouping success.
That's better.
Yeah, we're in.
Ooh. A little stutter.
Bloody hell. There we go, quite quiet now.
Yeah, it's just till that wastegate opens, isn't it?
I think it's just when the reds drop, because it's, I'm not quite sure. Right. Oh, I'm going to need some fucking fuel follows. I thought I filled up. Hang on. 80 miles. I must have fucking dreamt it. I thought I should have sworn I filled up before I come home. You alright for fuel?
Yeah, I got 3/4, only 2 bars down. So we're alright for about 412 miles. I should have cleaned my visor. Looks a bit miserable up ahead, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's alright, clean my visor in a minute then.
That doesn't look great, does it?
Well, hopefully it's it will lift. Never a good sign to see, is it? Flood.
Was that up to 37?
Yeah, at the end of that bridge again, it's wet.
They've never fucking thought about that. There's any space up here. Not really, but never mind. Hit the road.
These f***ing idiots clipping the grass verge, isn't it?
The tires feel good then, do they?
Yeah. It feels like it wants to roll into the corners easier.
Yeah.
But then that might be because the fours have gone all square.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely. Look out.
Aye, aye. Bit of the old gully clearing, is it? The drains.
That's like it, look.
There's many drains along here, is there?
Good. There's bound to be shit on the crest of this little hill.
I'll guarantee it.
Always is. Yeah. Oh, the gravel's been washed away though.
Yeah, it's normally worse than that, isn't it?
Yeah, this left-hander there, it's fucking lovely. It's better coming up. Better coming up.
It's just a nice sweeper, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just constant radius.
Ooh, get you.
The curves don't change.
That was a big old boozer.
What it used to be.
Yeah, I think so. Sure it was. See, yours picks up the background wind as well.
Well, I've got my visor open again now. But also, I'm not sure whether because I've got my fucking dark visor open, that whistles to
Oh
me.
yeah,
But I
might
don't-
shove it down in a bit more.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hush nose! Let him know it's clear.
You what?
I said let that van know it's clear. He let me by
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah, cheers. Oh,
Oh, squirrel! He's dead.
yeah, he didn't make it, did he?
He ran out and bounced back off your wheel. He didn't move.
No. He's not.
That's alright, the crows will have him in a minute.
So if I get down to the right then and get some fuel,
Yeah.
I just want to try this place out.
Yeah, big old gaff, innit?
Oh, bollocks.
What? Oh, is it not up here?
No.
I wonder whether to fill mine up while I'm at it. Can we pay at the pump?
No. Please bring payment card. Oh no, Jerry can. Looks like it's normal. That's a bit shit for a brand new one, isn't it?
Yeah. This E10 is 95 octane.
Yeah. Yeah, you've got to go for the Super to get E5. Yeah, 95 is normal, isn't it?
95's normal, yeah.
So it's all E10 now.
Yeah.
So you've got to go for the Super unleaded to get E5. That's just going to be 155.9. Don't want to spill any.
Not that price.
That'll do. 15 litres, 23 quid. Ooh.
Greg's.
I've seen smaller supermarkets.
Mobile phone 1 disconnected.
Take my glasses off, I'm steaming.
Me too. Hello. Number 5, please.
Number 6, please.
1239. Thank you.
Yes, please.
All done. Cheers.
Thank you.
Oh.
Oh, actually, sorry. Have you got any Virginia tobacco? Small one, please. And the silver filters. The silver ones, the extra ultra slim.
Just like me.
Oh, behave.
That's it, that's fine. Okay.
Mobile phone 1 connected.
She was a cheerful soul.
Yeah.
Lovely.
I'm going in the bike bit. Coming.
Yeah. Not all.
Aging rocker.
Yeah. Yeah. Still stuck in the 70s.
Thought it was Susie Quattro for a minute.
But he went quite so regularly. The indicator's still on.
BMW, you'd think they'd self-cancel, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Yours do, don't they?
Yeah. Hey there. That's awesome.
Compton Abbas Airfield. And that one there's just popped in for coffee. Am I flashing red?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know how much of that 360 footage is going to be usable. I know all of the GoPro footage from Motocorsa to here ain't. Compton Abbas Airfield. That's an old American one there, isn't it? Got US Marines all over the side of it.
Yeah, it's a trainer, I think. Old trainer.
I love it. I wonder how many arguments over the years they've said, yes, it's an airfield. No, it's a field.
Yeah.
It's an airfield. No, it's a field. Yeah, 15 quid to land one of them light aircraft here.
Yeah. Well, that one with the big double, that's a microlight, that one.
Yeah.
That's a cannon.
Nice tarmac.
Yeah.
Mind you, it needed it, didn't it? It was terrible.
Yeah, definitely.
Have they done this shit bit down here though? Oh look, it's skipping a waypoint. Excellent.
Yeah. I put mine to the next one anyway.
Oh, did you? I find this junction's a pain in the ass because you really got to crick your neck.
Yeah, that's a hell of a job too. Gravel. There.
Car coming in there night. You're gonna do them. Go, 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 go. Let's do them.
The gravel in the middle.
Gravel.
Gravel.
Si l'on s'aimait, à se promettre l'éternité, si l'on vivait ivre d'amour comme dans les contes et les histoires, si l'on laissait couler les jours en profitant de chaque pas, malgré nos douleurs et nos craintes, en se serrant fort dans les bras. Si l'on s'aimait, encore une fois, si l'on s'aimait, comme autrefois. Faire avant, pourquoi nous on ne pourrait pas se regarder droit dans les yeux sans douter un instant et croire que le temps est notre ami et pas celui qui nous sépare, que l'on pourrait vivre sans vie dans l'aventure de notre histoire. Si